Greetings, Fenol The Great. How to use your skills to leave a mark in the world. How to use your skills to help make the world a better place. Are you a singer? Are you a carpenter? Are you a freelancer? Are you an artist? Are you a doctor? A nurse? Are you a president? A prime minister? Whatever your title, whatever your skills, you can use your skills to live the world better than you found it. You can use your skills to help the homeless. You can use your skills to help the poor. You can use your skills to help the single mothers. You can use your skills to heal the sick. You can use your skill to help the weak. You can use your skills to make money to help others. You can use your skills to help the planet recover from damages caused by our fellow humans. You can use your skills to change communities and countries. Yes, your skills can be used to help make humanity a better place. Not everything you do, you need to get paid for it. Yes, you can ask to be paid, but understand that when you help another person, you help yourself. Oneness. You are interconnected with everything you see, everyone you see. Fenol The Great. Use your skills to help make the world a better place. You can use your skills to help heal mental illness. You can use your skills to help cure diseases that are eating humanity from within. And a peace to you. Much love.